SolidWorks 2007 provides many new and improved time-saving features for the designer. The ability to quickly assemble fasteners and create the holes necessary for those fasteners is a need of virtually all designers. SolidWorks Hole Series functionality now allows designers to reuse existing holes, such as the mounting holes found on this vendor-supplied speed reducer. These existing holes can act as a guide for placing fasteners and creating other holes, thereby guaranteeing alignment of the mounting holes with the speed reducer holes. Hole Series automatically selects appropriate hole and fastener types, but also allows you to manually override automated selections to fine-tune your design. You can also select additional hardware to go with your fasteners, such as nuts and washers. A new display function called Isolate allows me to quickly remove all unselected components from view. Another time-saving feature introduced in SolidWorks 2007 is the assembly-level belts and chains functionality. The belts and chains functionality allows you to quickly create belts and chains around pulley and sprocket systems. To create the belt or chain, simply walk through the belt path by selecting appropriate pulley and sprocket surfaces. Curves can also be selected to allow the selection of virtual pitch circles as a guide for the belt. If a belt ends up on the wrong side of a pulley, it can be easily flipped by use of the arrows. If the system contains belt tensioners, the belt length will automatically change as the tensioner is manipulated. Several options are available in the Belt Chain Property Manager, which allow you to customize aspects of your design. The belt location plane controls axial position of the belt relative to the pulley. Users can also input a belt thickness. In addition, a dynamic tally is always kept of the current belt length. The belt can be saved as a part. Further detailing of the belt, such as the creation of the cross-section of the belt, can occur in Edit Part or in regular part mode. Even after the belt is made into a solid model, manipulation of belt tensioners or pulley locations will result in the modification of the belt upon rebuilding. In many cases, designers want to use belts of a known length to reduce cost. It's cheaper to buy a belt off the shelf than to create a custom one. By selecting the driving option in the Belt Chain Property Manager, the user can set the length of the belt and the belt tensioners will update to the correct position for that particular length. By using the Engage Belt option, all the pulleys in the system will rotate at their correct ratio as the pulleys are put into motion. Smarter Hole Series, Isolate, and Belts and Chains. Just a few ways we're improving design in SolidWorks 2000.